This week in your weekly upgrade, we give you a quick rundown of the top 10 tips for 2022. It's to get you back up, geared up, and pumped up for this new year we hope will be very awesome. I'm Jordan R., and this is your weekly upgrade. Happy New Year and welcome back, everyone. Let's get right into gear. So here it is, everything to start up the new year and prepare yourself for whatever is thrown at you, whether virtually or in class. Either way, you got this. Number 10, here's an awesome tip. When you close your computer for the night or shut it down and you wake it up the next morning, you can easily go up to the three dots, select History, and then select Recently Closed. And just like that, all the tabs and everything you've been working on will reappear. If you want to be even more proactive, go to the three dots, select Settings, and then select On Startup, and then select Continue where you left off. And then you'll never have to worry about starting your day wondering what you were doing last. Because as soon as you select Chrome, you'll be back to where you were yesterday.
Great Scott! I know, this is heavy.
Number 9, Google Forms is awesome, but remember that when sharing with parents or anyone outside the OCDSB, to change the proper settings to allow access to all participants. To confirm you have done this and set it up correctly, in Forms, just select Settings and then select Responses, and then turn off the button where it states Restrict to users in Ottawa Carleton District School Board and its trusted organizations. Then it will save on its own and you're good to go. Number 8, clear your cache. If you forgot, no worries. Here it is once again. Select the three dots, select More Tools, then select Clear Browsing Data. Then select the Advanced tab and checkmark everything except passwords. Don't want to lose those. And then select Clear Data. So now, number 7, the Modern Learning website. Yes, it's all there. Yes, we got it. Yes, there's a doc for that. And yes, that's our new logo for the VLE. So explore away. Number 6, don't forget about your bookmarks. That little star at the top goes a long way. When you're on a website, just select it, name your bookmark, and take a deep, relaxing breath that your site has a safe place and easy access. Number 5, Chromebook shortcuts. This is awesome if you're working on a Chromebook and need that specific shortcut, but you're not sure how to find it. Just select Control, Alt, and /. Put them all together, and a pop-up window will appear so you can figure out the screenshot combo or whatever floats your boat.
I'm the king of the world!
Number 4, Adobe Spark is now named Adobe Express. Confusing? I know. Has a lot changed? No, not really.
You serious, Clark?
What's really in a name other than trying to confuse you so much more? You could also try out Canva, which is another great editing resource for all kinds of design options. Watch out for our next episode where we will dive into Canva a little bit more. Number 3, Google Classroom folder in your Google Drive. Only one thing to say, don't move it, don't touch it, don't even look at it. Changing anything in this folder will cause issues in your Google Classroom. So make sure you leave it alone, your students leave theirs alone, and once again,
no touchy.
Number 2, don't forget you can add anyone as a co-host in your Google Meet. While in your Meet, just go to the participants list, select the three dots, and select Make Co-host. They will now have the ability you have, including even breakout rooms, regardless of the type of license. I know, pretty awesome, isn't it? And number 1, your quick settings in Gmail. Just select the wheel cog at the top right and you'll have a great selection of options to keep your Gmail from looking like someone just opened a Christmas morning aftermath of wrapping paper on your screen.
My God, would you look at that mess?
You can change the density, your theme, the inbox type, we recommend priority because it splits your email sections up really well, and even your reading pane, without having to cycle through all of the settings Gmail has to offer. So there it is, your top 10. All are important, all are equal, and I hope this helps immensely as we begin the second half of the school year. And that's all for today's weekly upgrade. If you would be so kind, give us a like. Make sure to subscribe, tell a friend about us, stay warm, and of course, have a great day.